Welcome. Hi guys, my name is Rosin from Rosin's Journey. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do something a little bit different, um, simple, unique, something for just a corner, just to give it a hint of light. So let's just start this project, guys. It's called a lamp. Simple as that. It's a lamp. It's going to be made from scratch. It's an idea that I came up with. Now, if you're going to do something like this, or you're going to be dealing with wood, and you need to make a hole, I needed to make a hole in this wooden plaque from Dollar Tree. So, I had to use my tools. I had to use this tool here. And guys, I'll try to put the name of it in the description, so you guys can either go over to Amazon, or I believe I purchased it from Amazon. If I purchased it from Amazon, I'll leave a link. But this right here is absolutely fabulous. I have these tools and I had them for about 2 years, and it makes all different size holes, which is very good. From the smallest to the biggest hole there is, it can make for you. Very good if you're dealing with any wood projects. And I love dealing with wood, guys. You know that. I tell you that all the time. So we made this hole in here. But guess what? My hole is a little bit too large. So I'm going to have to build it close. And you'll see what I mean when I say that. The next thing you're going to need is, this was a plunger from Dollar Tree. I cut it down. I believe I can give you the measurements. I believe it's 17 inches. Let me just check my measurements. Yeah, so the plunger was 17 and 3/8, and I cut it down 3 inches on each side. So actually now it's like 11.5 inches. Yeah, because I didn't want it to be too tall. I just wanted it to be, just for the corner. So yeah, so I cut 3 inches off of here, of both sides. And what we're going to do, guys, is we're gonna insert it in here. As I told you, it's too big. I cut it too big, so I'm gonna have to build it up to close it in. So let's do that. That's what we're gonna use, and I'll show you all of those different things in a minute coming up. And you're also gonna need one of these lamps. I got this lampshade from, they call it a chandelier shade in gold. I got this from a thrift shop. So I really need to remove this paper here, and as you can see, I paid 59 cents for it in 2022. That's how long I had this. So I really want to move this because I want to see how beautiful it is. This is beautiful. So it's gold, which is good. So I'm going to put, so you know we're going to use this, we're going to put this in here, but there's a twist to this, and I'll show you that coming up. You see how that, you just get that twinkle of light. Absolutely beautiful. In the corner, on the side. So all we need is a twinkle, and this is my three inches I cut off on each side. I usually save all my wood pieces because you never know when you're going to need a small piece. So the first thing I want to do, guys, and this is not burnt, and this is just a sponge that I'm going to use to change the color of these two. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to put this in, and I have to build around it, like I said. I'm going to take quite a few of these little sticks here, and I'm pretty sure I purchased those from Amazon, and if so, I'll definitely leave a link. So I'm just going to take a couple of these and just put them. Now I saw this on some channel, some wood channel that I was watching, woodwork channel, I'm sorry, that I was watching, and it just stuck in my head, because I said if I ever need to, if I ever did something and it is too big, I know how to fix it. So this little trick here came in very handy. Will come in very handy if you guys. All I'm doing is just going to build it all the way around, and you'll see it start coming together. And then I'm going to put some glue, some wood glue, to keep it in place. I'm just going to turn that around. And I had the size 4 too. I just picked the wrong size. What I should have did was went on the Dollar Tree website and see what was the measurements of this wooden stick here. Because on those I'll show you, but I can tell you, they have, like this says 25 millimeters. This is the one I use. And the next size would have been 22 millimeters. This is the one I should have used, that I didn't use. So yeah. Let's just keep going. As you can see, it's already coming together. It'll get harder and harder for the stick to do anything but stay still. Just like that. I'm going to start putting a little bit of glue down in there. And I should have did this. It's really getting hard for it to move. As you can see, that hole is filled. And just like that. And guys, this is such an easy, quick project here. If you want to, you can literally put some bling around there. There's always so many different ways, guys, to bring out a project. You can see those little sticks around there. It don't look bad at all. And that's the thing about crafting, guys. We use that brain to get things done. Okay, so let's go on. So, while I have you here, guys, I need you to hit that like and subscribe. And if you hit that bell, you'll be notified when I upload a video. And boy, do I have some videos to upload for you guys. Add a little bit more water. Start at the bottom. At this point, if you decide where you want to put it at, you can use that color, guys. I'm just using this because I like the way this look with the wood. This burnt umber. I love the way it looks on wood, so that's the only reason why I'm using it. But you can choose any color you like. So I'm definitely going to give these 2 coats. Okay guys, welcome back. I failed to mention where this bit goes. They call it a bit. I'm 100% sure it's called the bit. I failed to mention where it goes. It goes inside your drill. And it's called a drill bit. Just like this. And it locks in, and that's how you continue to just drill a hole, just like so. You hold it in place and just drill, just like that. Okay, very powerful, needed tool if you're dealing with wood and you need to make a hole. So, the drill was also purchased from Amazon, and this is a handy dandy, powerful girl. So, if you want, I'll leave the description. Or if you're interested, just let me know. And I'll definitely send you the link to that. But yeah, just very powerful. Okay, so let's finish off this project. Okay, so what I decided to do, guys. Oh, we finished. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. Look. Now, we can leave it like that, right? Because it just looks like, it belongs there. But you know me. I'm going to have to do something to jazz it up and give it a little bling at the end. So I'm going to just give it a little bling. I'm just going to give it just a little bling. Just like that. And the reason why we're using gold is because what? We have these 2 pieces here that gold. Now, it's all different kind of golds, but I think that's what makes it more jazzy. Just like that. I'm just going to put a bit of glue here. Taper it in just like this. And I decided that at the end of this video, I'm going to go back and I'm going to put some Maker's Magic sealer on this wood. So we don't have to worry about that color ever going anywhere. We're just going to use that sealer and lock it in. Yes, we are. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this here. I'm not going to use this bulb right. No, not at all. But what I am going to do is I'm going to seal this down for now, just like this. And then, or should we do this first? I'm going to put a little bit of glue here, because I do want this to stay on. So I think I'm going to just put a little bit of glue inside here. I have to make a decision whether I want to use that light or both of them. I needed this to go into something, so it went perfectly up in here. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap this around. Just like this. And if you have any other lights, guys, just put them right on in here. You blend them right on in. And then I'll take this shade and put just a small amount on top so it can adhere like this here. I'm trying not to make it permanent because I will be using the shade in another project. I'm just going to put a small amount and keep it moving. So guys, if you would do something like this, or you know, if you think this is a cute project, please let me know. Please let me know. Because we really love to hear feedback. You know, we want to know what you guys think. I just hold it for a few, just you know, to keep it locked in. And as I said, perfect little corner light. So let me move this, and we're just going to turn down some of this light here so you guys can see. And remind you, if you want to hang it, you do still have this piece here to hang it. Wow. I think it is very, very cute. So guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn's Journey. Don't forget to hit that bell.